Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to level up in Dota 2? Well, in Dota 2, there is one way to level up is by playing ranked games. So, there's two types of ranked games, role queue and classic. When you play role queue, you're able to choose which role that you want in the game. And when you play classic, you'll be choose whatever role that you want in the game. So right now, you can either choose random all pick or random drop. Those are the other mods for the ranked games. So as you can see, when we go right here to our profile and we go to our history and right here MMR, this will determine our level in Dota 2. And how to see your level or rank in Dota 2. So right here, right now, these are the levels in Dota 2. There's Herald, Guardian, Crusader, Archon, Legend, Ascent, Divine, and Immortal. And those are the levels in Dota 2. And that's how you level up in Dota 2. So thank you guys. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.